Welcome to all parents and students. In this video, today we are going to study transpose of a matrix and transpose related problems. Okay, so I think in our previous video we all know how to find out transpose, because when we define symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix, at that time we have studied how to make transpose. जब हमने सिमेट्रिक स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक के बारे में बताया था टाइप्स ऑफ मैट्रिसेस में, तब हमने देखा था कि ट्रांसपोज कैसे किया जाता है. ओके, सो डिपेंडिंग ऑन ऑल दोज टेक्निक्स एंड द ट्रांसपोज ऑफ मैट्रिक्स, दैट टॉपिक हियर, नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज 2.4 is all about transpose of a matrix. So this is the exercise related with transpose of a matrix. Okay, so let's start with the exercise. Question number 1. First few questions are very easy. They have given two matrices, means matrix A is given and you have to find A transpose. It's a very easy one. Okay, so number 1, A. Matrix A is given as 1 3 minus 4 5, and the question is to find out transpose, A transpose. So therefore A transpose. Now what does it mean? A transpose means what? Means just we have to convert rows into columns and columns into rows. Okay, so first row will become first column, second row will become second column. So 1 3, first row will become first column, 1 3. Second row minus 4 5 will become second column, minus 4 5, finish. This is all about transpose. Is it difficult? ये है ट्रांसपोज. पहला रो पहला कॉलम बन गया, सेकंड रो सेकंड कॉलम बन गया, खत्म. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट ट्रांसपोज. ओके, सो सेकंड क्वेश्चन दे हैव गिवन A is equal to, and the matrix is 2 minus 6 1, first row, second row minus 4 0 5. Okay, now we have to find transpose. A transpose is equal to first row will become first column, so first column 2 minus 6 1. Second row क्या बनेगा? second column, so second column will be minus 4 0 and 5. This is all about A transpose. Are you getting it? कुछ difficult है यहाँ पे? बहुत ही. Now, so let's move to question number 2, and in that question matrix is not given. We have to first form the matrix as we studied in earlier videos. So we have to first form that matrix A, and after forming that matrix A we have to find out its transpose, A transpose, and then we have to state whether A and A transpose are symmetric or skew symmetric. Okay, so it's very easy sum actually. Question number 2, in that matrix A is not given straight away. They have given just a formula, or you can say definition, to get matrix A. In question number 2 they have given matrix A is of order, A is nothing but Aij of order 3 into 3. So the order is 3 into 3. And for this element of the matrix, Aij is the element of the matrix. For that they have given formula. Aij is equal to 2 into I minus j. This is the formula for Aij. Now we have studied earlier how to get all these values. Now since this is of order 3 into 3, means there must be 3 rows and 3 columns. A मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर क्या है? 3 into 3, मतलब 3 रोज होने चाहिए और 3 कॉलम्स होने चाहिए, बराबर. तो उसमें एलिमेंट्स कौन से आने वाले हैं? बहुत ही सिंपल सी बात है. ये ऐसे आ सकता है मैट्रिक्स. इफ इट इज ऑफ ऑर्डर 3 into 3, ये वो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट होगा, वो फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम में होगा. दैट मीन्स इट विल बी A11, फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम. सेकेंड एलिमेंट विल बी A21, सॉरी A12, first row and second column, and then A13, first row and third column. Similarly, A21 means second row first column, A22 second row second column, A23 second row third column, then A31 third row first column, A32 third row second column, A33 third row third column. So these are the all elements we have to find out using this formula. ये फॉर्मूला यूज करके ये सभी एलिमेंट्स आपको फाइंड आउट करने हैं, तब जाके आपको मैट्रिक्स ए मिलेगा, बराबर है। तो एग्जाम में ये सब लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, ये आपके अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए यहाँ पे लिख के दिया मैंने कि आपको कौन से एलिमेंट फाइंड आउट करने हैं। ओके, इन एग्जाम नो नीड टू राइट दिस मैट्रिक्स, ओके, just you have to solve and find out the elements. So first of all, A11, first row, first column. So the value for I is 1, value for j is 1. We have studied earlier. So here 2 into 1 minus 1, that is 2 into 0, na? 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 into 2, 0. This is A11. Same way, you can find out A12, A13, A12. 2 into I is 1 and j is 2. So 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2. A13, first row, third column. Formula 2. I 1. J 3. So 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3. Minus 2. Minus 2 into 2. Minus 4. Are you getting it? The same way, you can find out A21, A22, A23. Then A31, third row, first column. A32, third row, second column. A33, third row, third column. Okay, just put down the values. 2 minus 1, 2 into 2 minus 2, 2 into 2 minus 3, 2 into 3 minus 1, 2 into 3 minus 2 and 2 into 3 minus 3. Are you getting it? क्या चल रहा है, समझ में आ रहा है ना? बहुत सी सिंपल है। ये जो फॉर्मूला, इस फॉर्मूला में क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग, I और J का वैल्यू पुट अप कर रहे हैं, बराबर। जो फर्स्ट नंबर है वो I, सेकंड नंबर है वो J। सो हियर I कितना है 2, J कितना है 1 और फॉर्मूला क्या है 2 into I minus J। तो क्या होगा 2 into 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 1, 1 into 2 2। Here 2 minus 2 0, 0 into 2 0, 2 minus 3 minus 1, minus 1 into 2 minus 2, 3 minus 1 2, 2 into 2 4, 3 minus 2 1, 1 into 2 2, 3 minus 3 0, 0 into 2 0. So we got all these elements, सब elements मिल गया। Now we can write matrix A. So therefore matrix A is equal to, okay, first row first column 0, first row second column minus 2, first row third column minus 4, then second row first column 2, second row second column 0, second row third column minus 2, third row first column 4, third row second column 2 and third row third column 0. This is our matrix A. So we got matrix A like this. Are you getting it? So this is matrix A. After getting matrix A, now they ask whether it is symmetric or skew symmetric. We have to check whether it is symmetric or skew symmetric. For that we have to find its transpose. हमें पहले इसका transpose find out करना पड़ेगा. Okay, so let's check. तो आप one below the other करना. So I am writing here. Therefore A transpose means rows into column and column into rows. First row will become first column 0 minus 2, 0 minus 2 minus 4. Second row becomes second column 2, 0 minus 2. Third row becomes third column 4, 2, 0. Okay, now just watch it carefully. A and A transpose. If you observe carefully, what will you observe? First row, both are same but opposite in sign. Okay, plus 2 minus 2, plus 4 minus 4. Second row 2 minus 2, 0 0, minus 2 2, means both the matrices are same but the signs are different. So that's why if you put minus sign common from this A transpose, what will you get? A transpose equal to minus. Taking minus sign common, you will get 0, minus 2 minus 4. Minus 2 becomes plus 2. 0 plus 2 become minus 2. Minus 4 will become 4. Minus 2 will become 2 and 0. Now just take it out. Now you are getting A transpose is equal to minus and this matrix is same as A. Just check it out. This matrix is nothing but A. So A transpose is equal to minus A. When this happens, that means these matrices are skew symmetric matrices. if A transpose is equal to minus A or A is equal to minus A transpose, then the matrices are skew symmetric matrices. अब आप देख रहे हो ट्रांसपोज और मैट्रिक्स दोनों सेम है, सिर्फ साइन क्या है, डिफरेंट है. दैट मीन्स ये दोनों क्या है, स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिसेस. सो देयरफॉर A and A transpose are skew symmetric matrices. Skew symmetric matrices. That will be the final answer. Are you getting it? I don't think is there any difficulty. Very simple matrix. This part we have studied in earlier videos. How to prepare, how to form any matrix if formula is given. So using this formula, we got matrix A, and the next step we have to check whether it is symmetric or skew symmetric. For that क्या किया हमने, A दिया है, हमने A ट्रांसपोज फाइंड आउट किया. कैसे किया आपको पता है. फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम बन गया, सेकेंड रो सेकेंड कॉलम बन गया, थर्ड रो थर्ड कॉलम बन गया. तो ये A ट्रांसपोज है. फिर हमने देखा तो पता चला, क्या पता चला कि दोनों मैट्रिक्स सेम दिख रहे हैं. सिर्फ क्या हो रहा है, यहाँ जो नंबर पॉजिटिव है वो वहां पे निगेटिव, और यहाँ पे जो नंबर निगेटिव है वो वहां पे पॉजिटिव दिख रहा है. मतलब नंबर सेम है, सिर्फ साइन डिफरेंट है. तो हमने क्या किया, इन सभी में से माइनस साइन कॉमन लिया. आफ्टर टेकिंग माइनस साइन कॉमन, ऑल नंबर्स हैव चेंज. अंदर में जो नंबर थे सभी चेंज हो गए, उनके साइन चेंज हो गए. अब जो ये मैट्रिक्स दिख रहा है, दिस इज सेम एज मैट्रिक्स A. वो मैट्रिक्स A बन गया ना अभी. मतलब A ट्रांसपोज इज इक्वल टू माइनस A. व्हेन दिस हैपेंस वी कॉल इट एज स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. आर यू गेटिंग इट? Okay, so let's proceed to question number 3. It is very simple. Orally you can solve. Question number 3, much more easier. Okay, they have given matrix A like this. Matrix A, first column 5 4 minus 2, second column -3 -3 1. Okay, and the question is we have to prove that transpose of A transpose equal to A. This we have to prove. Transpose of A transpose is equal to A. Pretty obvious. Transpose of A transpose will nothing but A only. Okay, so just we have to perform the steps. What we want? Transpose of A transpose. So first we have to find A transpose, and then again we have to make its transpose. Very simple. Transpose of A transpose. First A transpose. A transpose. What will happen? Row interchange into column and column interchange into row. बहुत ही simple है. So here, okay, no need to too big. First column 5 4 minus 2. Now this first column will become first row. 5 4 minus 2. Second column will become second row. So -3 -3 1 हो गया. ये A, ये हो गया A ट्रांसपोज. अब क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा है? ट्रांसपोज ऑफ A ट्रांसपोज. सो दिस इज A ट्रांसपोज. अगेन वी वांट टू मेक इट्स ट्रांसपोज. अब इस A ट्रांसपोज का फिर से ट्रांसपोज करना है. वेरी इजी. सो देयरफॉर ये सपोज 1 नंबर दे दिया. सो देयरफॉर A ट्रांसपोज अगेन इट्स ट्रांसपोज. सो ट्रांसपोज ऑफ A ट्रांसपोज. दिस इज A ट्रांसपोज. वी हैव टू मेक इट्स ट्रांसपोज. इसका अभी फिर से ट्रांसपोज करना है. तो फिर से क्या होने वाला है? First row will become first column. 5 4 minus 2. Second row will become second column. -3 -3 1. Just check it out. क्या लिख रहा है? सेम है कि नहीं है ना? खत्म. So therefore transpose of A transpose is equal to A from 1. Okay. Hence proved nothing difficult in it. कुछ भी डिफिकल्ट नहीं था. Are you getting it? सॉल्व कर सकते हो ना, कुछ है ही नहीं उसमें. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, in that just they have asked prove that A transpose is equal to A. So I think you can do it. Okay, question number 4, they have given matrix A like 1 2 minus 5 first row, second row 2 minus 3 4, third row minus 5 4 and 9. And they have asked to prove that A transpose is equal to A. Very easy, I think. They want A transpose equal to A. Very easy, na? This is A, na? Then find out A transpose. If you make its transpose, A transpose, you'll come to know that first row will become first column, second row will become second column, third row will become third column, and again you'll get the same matrix. जब आप A का ट्रांसपोज करोगे, मतलब A ट्रांसपोज फाइंड आउट करोगे ना, तब आपको पता चलने वाला है कि फर्स्ट रो का फर्स्ट कॉलम होगा, सेकेंड रो का सेकेंड कॉलम होगा, थर्ड रो का थर्ड कॉलम होगा, फिर भी मैट्रिक्स वही रहने वाला है. वही मतलब कौन सा? A. तो जस्ट राइट डाउन A ट्रांसपोज इज इक्वल टू A. नथिंग डिफिकल्ट. बहुत ही बेसिक सवाल है. ओके, जस्ट आपका बेसिक्स चेक करने के लिए. These are not exam oriented question. It is just for your basics. Are you getting it? Okay. So let's proceed to question number 5. It is also easy sum. Complete exercise based on very simple examples. ABC 3 matrices are given, and then we have to prove certain things. Okay, ABC 3 matrices are given. A matrix A is given as first column 2 5 minus 6, second column minus 3 minus 4 1. This is A matrix. And okay, then B and C, all three matrices are given. Step by step I'll write. What we have to prove, that I'm going to write here. We have to prove that first one, A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. This is we have to prove. Then number 2, we have to prove that A minus C transpose is equal to A transpose minus C transpose. Okay, these are the two questions we have to prove. So for that I'm starting with the solution only. Okay, I'm not writing question. A matrix is given, B is given, C is given, and what we require here, we require A transpose, we require B transpose, we require C transpose. At the same time, we want A plus B and then its transpose, we want A minus C and then its transpose. अब यहाँ पे जो prove that दिया है, उसके लिए हमें क्या क्या चाहिए? We want A दिया है, हमें A transpose भी चाहिए, B transpose चाहिए, C है, C transpose भी चाहिए, A plus B चाहिए, then उसका transpose चाहिए, A minus C चाहिए, फिर उसका transpose करना. बहुत ही simple है. So this is A given. Now A transpose. A transpose, first column will become first row 2 5 minus 6, second column second row minus 3 minus 4 1. Finish. This is A transpose. Now B is given, matrix B they have given as 2 4 minus 3 first column, 2 4 minus 3 first column, 1 minus 1 3 second column, 1 minus 1 3 second column. So therefore B transpose, what will be the value of B transpose? Very simple. First column will become first row, 2 4 minus 3, second column will become second row, 1 minus 1 3. Very simple. This is B transpose. Now C, matrix C is given. What is given? C is given as 1 minus 1 2 first column, 1 minus 1 2 first column, 2 4 3 second column, 2 4 3 second column. So therefore C transpose is equal to first column will become first row, 1 minus 1 2, second column becomes second row, 2 4 3. Okay, so now we got all three matrices and its transpose. अब हमें A transpose, B transpose, C transpose सब पता है. Now what we want? We want A plus B and then its transpose. So let's start with A plus B. So A plus B. Okay, let's find out A plus B. A plus B. Matrix A is given as 2 5 minus 6, -3 -4 1. This is A plus B. Matrix B is given as 2 4 -3. First column 2 4 -3. Second column 1 -1 3. 1 -1 3. Now just we have to add. So therefore you will get A plus B. A plus B मिल जाएगा 2 plus 2 4. -3 plus 1 -2. 5 plus 4 9. -4 -1 -5. -6 -3 -9. 1 plus 3 4. This is our A plus B. But what we want? A plus B transpose. A plus B तो मिल गया बराबर, but prove that में क्या चाहिए? A plus B transpose. So find out. So therefore A plus B transpose is equal to transpose. Transpose में क्या होगा? First column will become first row. 4 9 -9. Second column will become second row. क्या आएगा? -2 -5 and 4. This is equation number 1. Okay, give it as equation number 1. ये हो गया आपका equation number 1. Okay, again what we want, this is for question number 1 I am saying. Okay, A plus B transpose we got. Now we have to show that A plus B transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. तो A plus B transpose तो मिल गया, मतलब LHS मिल गया आपको. अभी आपको RHS चाहिए. राइट हैंड साइड में क्या चाहिए? A ट्रांसपोज प्लस B ट्रांसपोज. तो करो नाउ. A ट्रांसपोज प्लस B ट्रांसपोज इज इक्वल टू A ट्रांसपोज. वेयर शुड आई राइट? प्रॉपर प्लेस. ओके, A ट्रांसपोज इज 2 5 -6 फर्स्ट रो, -3 -4 1 सेकंड रो, प्लस B ट्रांसपोज फर्स्ट रो 2 4 -3, second row 1 -1 3. Now just add them. If you add them, what you will get? 2 plus 2 4, 5 plus 4 9, -6 -3 -9, -3 plus 1 -2, -4 -1 -5, 1 plus 3 4. This is equation number 2. Now just check it out. Equation 1 and equation 2. 4 9 -9 4 9 -9 -2 -5 4 -2 -5 4. That means A plus B transpose and A transpose plus B transpose both are giving same answer. Are you getting it? So finally you can write. So therefore from 1 and 2, what you can write? A plus B transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Hence proved. Are you getting it? So this is question number 1. Are you getting? A is given. Find out A transpose. Just rows into column, column into rows. B is given. B transpose. C is given. C transpose. After getting all three transpose, first question A plus B transpose. But before that we have to find A plus B ना. तो A plus B कैसे मिलेगा? A मैट्रिक्स प्लस B मैट्रिक्स. A plus B मिला, फिर उसका ट्रांसपोज करना है. So A plus B transpose. Equation number 1. Okay. Then RHS. A transpose plus B transpose. We have got A transpose as well as B transpose. Just add them. A transpose plus B transpose. Add. Get equation number 2. From 1 and 2, we'll come to know that A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Hence verified or hence proved. Are you getting it? The same way I think you can solve A minus C transpose. What you have to do? First find out A minus C. What do you have to do? After this, okay. Next step, where should I write? Okay, let me write here. I'm just writing the steps only. Yeah? After this, first find out A minus C. Okay, number 2. Now A minus C. So the matrix A minus matrix C. This will give you A minus C. Okay. A minus C. A minus C. After getting A minus C, then find out A minus C transpose. So therefore, A minus C transpose, then you will get A minus C transpose. Write it at equation number 3. This will give you equation number 3, A minus C transpose. And then now what do you have to do? Right hand side, A transpose minus C transpose. So A transpose minus C transpose. This is the value for A transpose minus this is the matrix for C transpose. Just make subtraction. You will get the final answer, that will be equation number 4, and then from 3 and 4 you will come to know that A minus C transpose is equal to A transpose minus C transpose. Then write out hence verified. आएगा, कर सकते हो आप, बहुत ही सिंपल है. इसके बाद ये स्टेप आएगा A माइनस सी, A मैट्रिक्स माइनस C मैट्रिक्स, फिर सब्ट्रैक्शन कर लो, A माइनस सी मिलेगा, देन फाइंड आउट इट्स ट्रांसपोज, फिर A माइनस सी का क्या करो, ट्रांसपोज. राइट डाउन इक्वेशन नंबर 3. फिर A ट्रांसपोज माइनस C ट्रांसपोज करना है, तो A ट्रांसपोज का वैल्यू तो पहले ही मिला है आपको, C ट्रांसपोज भी पता है, जस्ट उनका क्या करना है, सब्ट्रैक्शन. इक्वेशन नंबर 4, तो 4 में जो वैल्यू आएगा वो और 3 में जो वैल्यू आएगा वो दोनों सेम होने चाहिए, और होंगे ही सेम. इफ यू आर मेकिंग perfect calculation, both will be same, then just we have to write A minus C transpose equal to A transpose minus C transpose, hence proved. Are you getting it? So very simple question. Now moving ahead to question number 6. Similar sort of question already you have studied in earlier videos. Okay, just we have to revise the same things. Okay, what is given in question number 6? They have given A, they have given B. Okay, and we have to find C transpose. C matrix is not given, but we have to find C transpose because they have given one condition, and the condition is 3A minus 2B plus C is equal to I. 3A minus 2B plus C is equal to I. In our earlier exercise, we have studied such type of conditions to get matrix C alone. Okay, so same funda, same technique we have to use here. In question number 6, they have given A. Matrix A is given as 5 4 minus 2 3. 5 4 first row minus 2 3 second row. This is A. And then B is given as first row minus 1 3 and second row 4 minus 1. Okay, now they have given a condition, given that what condition they have given? They have given that 3A minus 2B plus C is equal to I, where I is a unit matrix of the same order, means 2 into 2, and just we have to find C. Very simple. Plus 3A, when goes to that side, it will become minus 3A. Minus 2B will become plus 2B. So what you will get? C is equal to I minus 3A plus 2B. Very simple. Now just put down the values. Values put up करो. I क्या है? Unit matrix ना? Order 2 into 2. Unit matrix में क्या होता है? Diagonal elements are 1. Rest all elements are 0. Unit matrix में diagonal 1. बाकी सब 0. तो 1 0 0 1. ये diagonal 1 1. हो गया? Minus 3A matrix A 5 4 minus 2 3 plus 2B matrix B minus 1 3 4 minus 1. Okay, just go on solving. बहुत ही simple है. First matrix 1 0 0 1 minus 3 will multiply. 3 सबको multiply करेगा. You have to get 15 12 minus 6 9 plus यहाँ पे 2 multiply करेगा. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 6 8 minus 2. Okay, now just make a calculation. 1 minus 15. 1 minus 15 minus 14 minus 14 minus 2 minus 16. 0 minus 12 minus 12 minus 12 plus 6 minus 6. 0 minus minus plus 6 plus 6 plus 8 plus 14. 1 minus 9 minus 8 minus 8 minus 2 minus 10. Okay, so this is the value for matrix C. ये बन गया आपका matrix C. Now the question is find out C transpose. We have to find out C transpose. Now it's very easy. So therefore C transpose means first row will become first column minus 16 minus 6. Second row will become second column 14 minus 10 finished. This is C transpose. Are you getting it? Is there any difficulty? Nothing difficult in it. Just use the given condition, put up the values, you will get value for C matrix, and then you have to find out transpose of C, that is C transpose. Clear? Next, question number 7. I think you can do it on your own. Very simple question is given, okay? So I'll give you just hint or the steps what you have to follow. Very simple problem is given. Question number 7, they have given matrix A, then they have given matrix B. A and B, two matrices are given, and number 1, they want you to find out A transpose plus 4 times B transpose, and number 2, they want to find out 5 times A transpose minus 5 times B transpose. Nothing difficult in it. So while solving, first write down matrix A. Okay, first write down matrix A. Matrix A is given in the problem. Okay, you can refer your PDF file, and from that PDF you can find out what are the given values. आपके पास PDF है ना, वहां से आप देखो कि मैट्रिक्स A और B का वैल्यू क्या दिया है. तो A मैट्रिक्स दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन में, बराबर है. अब A दिया है, उसे यूज करके आप यू कैन फाइंड आउट A ट्रांसपोज ना, देन फाइंड आउट A ट्रांसपोज. हो गया. सेम वे B is given, matrix B is given, then find out B transpose. हो गया. A is given, using that find A transpose. B दिया हुआ है, उसे यूज करके B transpose. After getting A transpose, B transpose, now try to find first answer. So after this first one, A transpose plus 4 times B transpose. Now just put down the values. आपको सिर्फ यहाँ पे वैल्यू पुटअप करना है. A ट्रांसपोज का वैल्यू मिला है, वो A ट्रांसपोज का वैल्यू प्लस 4 इंटू B ट्रांसपोज, यहाँ पे B ट्रांसपोज का वैल्यू है, ये B ट्रांसपोज का वैल्यू यहाँ पे पुटअप कर देना. अब क्या करोगे आगे, ये 4 सभी एलिमेंट को मल्टीप्लाई करेगा. 4 विल मल्टीप्लाई टू ईच एंड एवरी एलिमेंट फ्रॉम दिस मैट्रिक्स, एंड देन इन द एंड यू हैव टू ऐड देम. यस, दैट विल बी द फाइनल आंसर. सेम वे हियर, 5 into A transpose minus 5 into B transpose. Just put down the values of A transpose and B transpose and make a subtraction. Values put up कर देना, 5 से multiply करना और फिर दोनों को subtract कर देना. That will give you final answer. Is it difficult? कुछ लग रहा है क्या difficult? I don't think so. So you can solve it properly. This is question number 7. Okay. The same way, they have given question number 8. Pretty ordinary question is given. Question number 8. बहुत ही सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन दिया है. Question number 8. Let's see what they have given and what you have to find in question number 8. बहुत ही सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है. Question number 8. A, B, C, 3 matrices are given and you have to verify A plus 2B plus 3C transpose is equal to. Okay, very very good. Question is given. Question number 8. A is given. Matrix A. First row is 1 0 1. Second row is 3 1 2. Okay. And let me show you question. We have to verify that A plus 2B plus 3C transpose equal to A transpose plus 2 into B transpose plus 3 into C transpose. That means we require A transpose as well as B transpose as well as C transpose. इसका मतलब ये है कि हमें A transpose, B transpose, C transpose find out ही करना है. तो करते हैं. A is given ना, so easily you can find out A transpose. So therefore A transpose, very simple. First row जो है वो बनेगा first column 1 0 1 1 0 1. Second row second column 3 1 2. This is A transpose. Now write down B. Matrix B is given. What's the value of B? Matrix B is given as 2 1 minus 4 first row, 3 5 minus 2 second row. Okay, now let us find B transpose. B transpose क्या होगा? First row become first column, 2 1 minus 4 second row, 3 5 minus 2 becomes second column. This is B transpose. Now C. Matrix C is given. What is given? Matrix C. First row 0 2 3 0 2 3. Second row minus 1 minus 1 0 minus 1 minus 1 0. This is second row. So now we can find out C transpose. So therefore C transpose. First row become first column, 0 2 3 minus 1 minus 1 0. Finished. This is all about C transpose. So we got A transpose, B transpose, C transpose. Now just we have to verify this condition. So LHS A plus 2B plus 3C and then transpose, na? So just find out that one. So now here A plus 2B. So therefore A plus 2B plus 3C. First find out this matrix. Matrix A. A is 1 0 1 3 1 2 plus 2B. Matrix B. Matrix B is 2 1 minus 4 3 5 minus 2 plus 3C. Matrix C is 0 2 3 minus 1 minus 1 0. Okay, just make a calculation. A 1 0 1 3 1 2 plus 2 into this matrix. So multiply each and every element by 2. 2 से multiply करना, you'll get 4 2 minus 8 6 10 minus 4 plus 3 into, so multiply by 3 0 6 9 minus 3 0. Now again just add all three. अब तीनों को add कर दो. 1 plus 4 5 plus 0 5 0 plus 2 2 plus 6 8 1 minus 8 minus 7 plus 9 2 3 plus 6 9 minus 3 6 1 plus 10 11 minus 3 8 2 plus minus 4 means 2 minus 4 minus 2 plus 0 minus 2. This is value for A plus 2B plus 3C. ये जो मैट्रिक्स मिला वो A plus 2B plus 3C का वैल्यू है, बट क्वेश्चन में हमें A plus 2B plus 3C का ट्रांसपोज चाहिए. नाउ जस्ट मेक इट ट्रांसपोज. अब इसका ट्रांसपोज कर दो. सो देयरफॉर A plus 2B plus 3C ट्रांसपोज इज इक्वल टू, जब इसका ट्रांसपोज करोगे तो क्या होगा? फर्स्ट रो विल बिकम फर्स्ट कॉलम ना. क्या मिलेगा? 5 8 2. दिस इज द फर्स्ट कॉलम. सेकेंड कॉलम क्या मिलेगा? 6 8 minus 2. Write down equation number 1. This is equation number 1. Okay, A plus 2B plus 3C transpose. After getting LHS, now RHS. ये तो हो गया आपका LHS. अब आपको चाहिए RHS. तो RHS में क्या दिख रहा है आपको? A transpose plus 2B transpose plus 3C transpose ना. So just put those values to get RHS. अब RHS चाहिए आपको ना. A transpose. So just write down values in your RHS. So now A transpose plus 2B transpose plus 3C transpose equal to. Now just write down A transpose. A transpose क्या था? 1 0 1 3 1 2. This is A transpose plus 2 into B transpose. B transpose क्या आपका? 2 1 minus 4 first column, 3 5 minus 2 second column. Okay, ये हो गया आपका 2B transpose plus 3C transpose. You want plus 3C transpose plus 3C transpose. C transpose का वैल्यू क्या है? 0 2 3 first column and the second column is -1 -1 0. जस्ट मेक अ कैलकुलेशन. अब कैलकुलेशन कर दो यहाँ पे. What will get? First matrix as it is 1 0 1 3 1 2 as it is plus 2 मल्टीप्लाई करेगा सेकंड मैट्रिक्स को, क्या होगा फिर 4 2 3 6 2 1 2 2 5 10 माइनस 8 2 इंटू -2 -4 हो गया प्लस 3 इंटू थर्ड मैट्रिक्स ना, तो ये 3 मल्टीप्लाई करेगा तो प्लस यू विल गेट 3 into 0 0 minus 3 6 minus 3 9 and 0. Now just make a calculation. Add करना है तीनों को. 1 plus 4 5 5 plus 0 5 3 plus 6 9 9 minus 3 6 0 plus 2 2 2 plus 6 8 1 plus 10 11 minus 3 8 1 minus 8 -7 plus 9 2 2 minus 4 -2 plus 0 -2. This is equation number 2. Now just check it out. Equation 1 and equation 2. Both values are same. So in the end you have to write. So therefore from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, that question, what is question? A plus 2B plus 3C transpose equal to A transpose plus 2B transpose plus 3C transpose, hence proved. Are you getting it? Is there any difficulty? All problems are pretty simple one, pretty easy. बहुत ही सिंपल प्रॉब्लम्स है सब, कुछ भी नहीं है. एक नॉर्मल बेसिक जो मैट्रिक्स इसमें करते हैं वही करना है. हाउ टू फॉर्म ट्रांसपोज, ऐड है तो ऐड करना है, मल्टीप्लाई तो मल्टीप्लाई करना है. जस्ट सिंपल स्टेप्स फॉलो करना है, नथिंग एल्स. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 इज वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन एंड आई थिंक you can do it on your own. Very easy question. Easily you can perform question number 9. Okay, so you try question number 9 on your own. Very easy question. What they have given, matrix A is given, matrix B is given. Okay, and what they have said, prove that A plus B transpose and then transpose is equal to A transpose. Very easy question. Let me show you. Question number 9. Pretty easy question they have given. Okay, they have given A and B and the question number 9. Okay, matrix A. Matrix A. In that matrix A they have given first row -1 2 1, second row -3 2 -3. Okay, and they want to prove that A plus B transpose, the complete transpose is equal to A transpose plus B. This we have to prove. So for this to prove, we should have A transpose as well as B transpose. ये अगर प्रूव दैट करना है तो अपने पास A transpose B transpose का वैल्यू होना चाहिए. They have given A and B. उन्होंने A और B का वैल्यू दिया है. So let's find out A transpose and B transpose. A is given. So the value for A transpose will be, yeah, first column -1 2 1. Second column -3 2 -3. This is A transpose. Same way, B is given. Matrix B. What's the value of matrix B? They have given B as first column. They have given 2 -3 -1. Second column they have given 1 2 3. This is matrix B. We require B transpose. So therefore B transpose is equal to first row. First column will become first row. 2 -3 -1. Second column will become second row. 1 2 3. Okay, so we got B transpose, A transpose, B transpose. Now just find out LHS and RHS. In LHS what we require? A plus B transpose and then again transpose. So let's write. So therefore A plus B transpose equal to, we got A, so write down A, -1 2 1 -3, 2, -3. This is A plus B transpose. We have B transpose. This is B transpose. 2, -3, -1, 1, 2, 3. Just add them. We have to add them. Add कर दो. Nothing difficult. -1 plus 2, 1, 2, -3, -1, 1, -1, 0, -3 plus 1, -2, 2 plus 2, 4, -3 plus 3, 0. So this is A plus B transpose. But LHS is what? A plus B transpose, then again its transpose. LHS में क्या चाहिए? A plus B transpose का जो आंसर आएगा ना, उस आंसर का फिर से उन्हें क्या चाहिए? ट्रांसपोज. So just make transpose. Where should I write? Okay. So therefore, this is A plus B transpose. A plus B transpose. Okay. So A plus B transpose, and then again transpose of this matrix. So this is A plus B transpose. ये A plus B transpose है, पर इसका फिर से क्या करना है? ट्रांसपोज. तो इसका ट्रांसपोज आ जाएगा. Yes. Where should I write? Okay. Let me write here. So therefore, for A plus B transpose, again transpose. So transpose of this matrix, first row will become first column, 1, -1, 0. Second row will become second column, -2, 4, 0. Equation number 1. This is our LHS. Now RHS. What is the RHS? What we have to prove? A transpose should be. Now RHS. A transpose plus B. So just put down the value. A transpose. A transpose -1, 2, 1 first column, -3, 2, -3 second column, plus B. Matrix B. B first column 2, -3, -1, 2, -3, -1 second column 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now just we have to add them. Just add them. -1 plus 2, 1, -3 plus 1, -2, 2 minus 3, -1, 2 plus 2, 4, 1 minus 1, 0, -3 plus 3, 0. Give it at equation number 2. Now just check it out. Question number 1 and equation number 2. Equation 1, equation 2. Check करो. Are they same? Yeah. Same matrices are given. So what we have to write? Therefore from 1 and 2, A plus B transpose, the whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B, hence proved. Is it very simple? So pretty simple questions are given. Very simple questions are these. So we have covered 1 to 9 questions from the exercise. 1 or 2 questions there might be for your homework. You can do on your own. Otherwise, remaining all we have covered. Now just we have to try for question number 10, 11 and 12. Similar sort of questions, 10, 11 and 12. Okay. So just go through these all 1 to 9 questions. Simple questions are these. These questions are very simple. Okay, just we have to check what is given, how to find transpose, how to add, how to multiply, how to add and how to subtract. Nothing else. Simple questions are given. Stick to your basics, use your basics, don't make silly mistakes, avoid silly mistakes, and you will get complete marks in this topic. So once again, just 3 questions are remaining from this exercise. Question 10, 11 and 12 we'll cover in our next video. Till then, keep watching, keep solving, keep practicing. Okay, thanks for watching video.